Text, Beltone. How to use Beltone Remote Care Live.
How to use Beltone Remote Care Live. Before you use Beltone Remote Care Live, you need to set up a few things.
A finger taps a phone icon.
Start by opening the Beltone Here Max app.
Text, tap Yes to approve live assistance.
The app will need to use your microphone and camera. Tap Yes to start approval. Tap OK to allow use of your microphone and your camera.
Tap OK to allow use of your camera. Here Max would like to access the camera. A finger presses OK.
Go to My Beltone and tap on Live Assistance.
Under Resound Assist, a finger clicks Live Assistance.
If all check marks are green, you are ready to go. Receiving a call from your hearing care professional. Before using Beltone Remote Care Live, you will need to agree on a time with your hearing care professional. Tap Accept to receive the call just like a normal phone call.
The finger swipes right.
Tap the Here Max icon or the video icon to enable video access. Be sure to wear your hearing aids, as the sound will be routed directly to them during the call.
2 video feeds play on the phone.
Now you can see and talk to your hearing care professional. Tap on the microphone icon if you want to mute your microphone.
A banner reads, "Your microphone is muted."
Tap on the camera icon to switch off your camera.
After hitting the camera icon, the smaller video feed at the top right disappears. Then the finger hits the camera icon again, and the small feed reappears.
Your hearing care professional can write to you in a chat.
Text appears above the icons that reads, "Hi, welcome."
Tap the speech bubbles icon if you want to write something to him or her.
The speech bubble icon brings up a text screen where a finger replies, "Hi."
Your hearing care professional can make adjustments to your hearing aids from the clinic.
An updating progress bar appears.
Have a conversation with your hearing care professional during the call and let them know how the adjustments sound. Your hearing aids are now updated, and you and your hearing care professional can end the call.
The finger selects the phone icon at the far right, and the screen reads, "Session ended." Text, Beltone.